Let's draw houses. Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting edition of Go Mock Rocket Sheep. Today we are drawing houses. Before we get to that, let's take a look at the drawings you submitted last week. Easy mode. We're going to draw a simple 3D house for easy mode. So you start with a little box, a little square, and then you make it 3D by adding some lines at the corners, parallel lines diagonally. There we go. Make a line. Yep. Okay, so there we have our box. Okay, then of course basic houses, you know, they have a triangle that builds up on top of the box like that, and then you draw a parallel line like that, you draw it down. Okay, so there is your very good, we're getting there. Okay, now remember, you're drawing this stage in pencil because you're going to erase the pencil once you ink it after, and then it'll clean it all up. Okay, so we have a little triangle house. Now the roof actually extends a little bit past the corner of a house, so that when the rain falls, it falls off. Right? This is a little lopsided, but that's okay. Okay, then we need a chimney, and a chimney, we're going to do a little kind of a square here, corner, and a little short line there, longer line, so that it's kind of flush and shooting out of the house. There we go. A little tube. All right. Okay, and then there's shingles. So you can draw lines like this for the shingles. Okay, now, of course, you need a way into your house. Let's do that. Put a little door in the corner here. Oh, it looks like good. Window. Doorknob. Okay. Oh, lovely. And there's going to be a window people can see out of. Make it look nice. There we go. And there's going to be a window on this side too. This is a very small house. Then there's a little thing that goes underneath there. Sometimes people put plants on there. Okay, then there is, what else do we need? We need one of those, like, sometimes in the roof, there's like a circle, it's a vent. Okay, not bad, not a bad little simple looking house. Maybe we put a mail slot in the door for mail. Maybe a little welcome mat. Welcome. Alright, I feel like there needs to be like a little shrub, kind of maybe growing under this window, so just make a little cloud, and then you add these little leaves, and all you want to do for a little leaf is kind of make a little half circle and then connect it, and then you draw a line in between. So make a half circle, and then you connect it on the other side like a little pointy oval, and then you make a thing, and if you do that quite a bit, you can make little leaves. Alright, and this is the sidewalk, and then little blades of grass. Okay, this is our easy mode house. When you draw with pencil, you draw lightly, and then you come back with a marker like a Sharpie or a pen or anything like that, and then you trace over it to make lines that you want it to keep, and then when you erase, the pencil goes away and the ink stays, and then the drawing looks the way that you want, and then it's ready to color. And I'm drawing on an iPad, so it's really easy for me to get rid of the pencil, because all I do is just get rid of it. But you know, when you're drawing on paper, you gotta be careful when you erase. All right, there's the easy mode house. It's a little lopsided. That's all right. Medium mode. All right, for medium mode, we're gonna draw a different kind of house, the kind of house that a king or a queen might live in, like a castle. So we kind of take those principles we did in easy mode, just basic shapes, and then we add it. So I'm gonna start by doing the footprint of the castle. I'm gonna draw, it's gonna look like this. In the corner of each of these, I want to put a turret, like a big tower. So I'm gonna put circles like that, and this castle is gonna have a big square building in the back. All right, so this is the 2D footprint. Now I'm gonna build the tower like that. Tower goes there. There's gonna be a lot of erasing on this one after the fact. Tower up there. Tower up there. Okay, so connect those. I'm gonna build the walls up. So the wall kind of goes like there and over. Okay, builds up there, builds up there, and then we're gonna do the have to do the back. Have to do the back thing up here. There's gonna be a big tower here, taller than the other towers. Built. That's behind the wall though. Okay, so there's the wall. Looks good. And then there's gonna be a little gate and a drawbridge here. So this is the gate. And the drawbridge goes like this. And there's chains that come up here. There we go. Okay, now on each of these turrets, I'm gonna build a pointy style roof. Pointy style roof. Just like that. Kind of looks like the rocket from last time, actually. Okay, now this building back here is gonna have a strap around it, kind of keeping it together. Then it's gonna be one of these style buildings. You know, castles sometimes have the jaggedy that people can like look out and see through. Okay, there we go. Now you need some windows. Each of the towers. So you can see that all we're doing is taking a bunch of simple shapes and then building them up, making them look cool. Okay, so there's got to be a moat around this castle. Now you'll see, like with pencil, it's an absolute mess, right? But we're gonna just take our pen, trace the lines we want to keep, and erase all the ones we don't want to keep, and it'll look a lot better. Alright, so there's our castle, our more complicated house. The perspective's a little wrong, but whatever. Maybe it's just an old castle. Maybe it's falling apart a little bit. Hard mode. So what you want to do for today's hard mode is go on your Google image search and find a cool looking house. Look at the image of the house and try to find the basic shapes that you see. You know, as you look at a house, you're going to see rectangles and ovals and circles and squares, and you kind of start with those and then just make it more complicated as you go. That's a pretty funky looking house. I found it online. Yeah, it was fun to draw. It's kind of crazy to try to figure out all of the weird non-standard shapes, because obviously, like when we were making our castle and making the house, we're using squares and rectangles and making it 3D, but this house uses kind of curvy weird shapes, and that was pretty fun to draw. It looks all right. Thanks so much for drawing. If you enjoyed, if you had a fun time drawing, please make sure you send your drawings to me at gogomachrocketcheap@gmail.com, or you can just tag it to me in any social media and I'll grab it and I'll put it in the video. So thanks so much. See you next time.